Hey everyone, today we're going to make some super easy smash burgers. I hadn't made these before, so I wanted to give them a shot. They're way easier than I thought, but there's a couple tricks to making them well. I'd also made some potatoes and some other sides to go with this. So to start, we're going to get a pound of ground beef, and then we're going to mix in about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and then about a couple shakes of some garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder if you have it as well. I didn't have onion powder, so I'm actually going to put in some finely diced onions in this. A squirt of Dijon mustard, and just mix that in, and then mix all of that out together. A little bit of pepper if you like as well. So next I just took the back of a spoon and mixed all this up nicely, and I ended up using my hand to get it all really nice and mixed up, because in the next part we're going to roll these into balls. So I'm going to roll them into about 1.5 2-inch balls, about 2 ounces of meat in each, and that's how they're going to look when they're done. And in the meantime, I'm going to prep some avocado for our burgers. You want to get everything ready before you cook them, because they really don't take long to cook at all. So we're just going to plop them in the pan, and then we're going to take a flat back spatula and press them down real thin here, and just press them once, because if you do it more than that, you'll squeeze all the juices out of the meat. I had kind of an inclination to want to play with them, so I just had to kind of hold myself back and let them cook and let them do their thing as they sealed up nicely on the bottom. In the meantime, I also prepped some cheese and some other ingredients that were going to go on my final burger. Once the one side was real done, I went ahead and flipped them. And as you can see there, if you squeeze it too much, you'll squeeze the juices out of it again, as I mentioned before. So got some buns going in another pan, and wanted to have those nice and ready for when the burgers come off. So there I am prepping some avocado again, and threw that on top of the burgers, and wow, they were so tasty, so flavorful. These all in all took about, half hour to make. I really could have cut down the time if I had prepped the beef beforehand. So they just really take like 5 minutes to make. I'd also made some cream spinach, but we'll keep that for another video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bon appetit.